You've perfected your prompts, but your AI still calls your flagship product Project X and doesn't understand your company's unique jargon that you've hit a wall. What's next when prompting isn't enough? The answer is fine-tuning, a powerful technique for creating a true AI expert for your product. Today, you'll learn when, why, and how to use it strategically. Fine-tuning is the process of taking a massive, general-purpose AI model, like GPT-4, which has been pre-trained on a huge portion of the internet, and training it further on your own smaller, specific dataset. This adapts the model to your specialized domain or teaches it a new, specific skill. It doesn't just learn facts, it learns style, tone, and structure. It's the difference between an AI that knows about marketing and an AI that knows your company's marketing voice. It transforms a generalist into a specialist. So, when do you fine-tune versus just writing a better prompt? Here's the best analogy. Prompting is like giving a world-class chef a detailed recipe. They'll follow it perfectly for that one dish. Fine-tuning is like sending that chef to a specialized culinary school to become a master of a specific cuisine. After that, you don't need to give them a recipe anymore. They just know. Use prompting for one-off tasks and instructions. Use fine-tuning to permanently embed a new, complex skill or style into the model itself, ASAPM. You don't do the coding, but you own the strategy. Your role is threefold. First, define the business case. Is the cost and effort of fine-tuning worth the expected performance gain? Second, lead the data collection effort. High-quality data is the single most important factor for success. Finally, define the evaluation metrics to prove the fine-tuned model is actually better at achieving the product's goal, not just technically more accurate. Just as important is knowing when not to fine-tune. It's not a magic bullet. Don't use fine-tuning just to teach the AI new facts. Fine-tuning is for style and skill. Also, don't attempt it with too little data. If you only have a handful of examples, your efforts may fail or even make the model worse. It's an expensive process, so be sure it's the right tool for the job. Prompting gives instructions. Fine-tuning builds expertise. As a PM, you own the strategy, the data, and the evaluation. Do you have an idea for a product that would require a fine-tuned model? Let me know in the comments.